I recently upgraded my dad's gaming PC and the results are amazing. With a new CPU, increased RAM, and a powerful graphics card, his gaming experience has improved significantly. The upgraded cooling system also ensures the PC runs smoothly and lasts longer. If you're looking to upgrade your own gaming PC, be sure to watch this video for some valuable tips and insights. From choosing the right components to installing them correctly, I'll guide you through the entire process. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started and take your gaming to the next level.